Hi, this is Resilient Ken Lau. Now, we want to, in this video, we want to know that in a typical Zoom attendance, right? How can we calculate the total hours that each uh, person is used, right? So it's basically like leave time and subtract the join time. Now, in the normal Excel, I wonder how can you separate the time from the date, right? Because it's captured in such a way that this timestamp has a date and a time. But if you know Power Query, then you can do it very differently, right? And let's see how to do, right? So now I've loaded this into a Power Query, and now we have this tail here, right? And then now what you can do is that we want to extract just the time, right? So click on this and then choose the time and click replace, and that's it. Now lost this, right? This is 10 o'clock, right? So now I click on this, click time, replace, and that's all, right? Now let's select the leave time, hold out the control key, select the join time, go to the add column, go to time, choose subtract, right? Subtracts. So that is the one there you can see that here, right? There is so the 9 to 10, right? 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock is about 1 hour, right? So it's a one to represent the 1 hour. Now with that, right, we have the two options, right? So with this is under the add column tab, and then we choose whether they want to use the hours or the total hours, right? So what's the difference, right? Hours is only showing the hours, right? So if it's not more than 1 hour, it will not be calculated. Now you can take a look at this, like this is there is a tree, right? This is 3 hours, so it's extract only the tree, right? But I don't want this, right? I want to include the second, the minutes, right? So I select this item, I go to durations, and I can choose the minutes, and that will be 2 minutes, right? But I don't want that also. So I select this item, go to tool, and I look for total minutes, right? Now one about 62 minutes, right? 1 hour and 2 minutes, right? So, but I don't want this, right? I can go select the subtraction, go to location, and go to total hours, right? And then I have 1 hour, and this is 0.16 minutes, 1 hour and 12 minutes. Okay, that's a great one, right? So that's great. Now let's go to home, close and load, close and load. Okay, now we're loading into the table, and then go to summarize table, new, and we go for the new, and we go for the duration, but I don't want this duration. This is generated by the Zoom, right? I want to use the total hour. And then I have a company, right? Because this is a combination of several companies, so I would use the, let's say, amazing, right? Let's right click, sort, largest to smallest, right? Cool. So that's it, right? That is the one that I talk about, right? So Apple has attended the Zoom um, 1 day training for 8 hours. Banana is 7.9, close to 8, and of course the trainer, right? All the time there, right? Chicken disease, right? And Alice is different, right? So that's it. Now you just watch how powerful is Power Query, and this is just only the tip of the iceberg. The power of Power Query is beyond imagination, and I'm still marvel at the power of Power Query. So if you learn something useful, right, give a thumbs up and share your comments. Thank you. God bless you. God bless Asia.